There is a reason to why the ocean is referred to as the silent world. In this world, where sounds are crucial to survival, there is no room or need for foreign sounds to breach its harmony. Sensitivity of various marine animals to ocean noise pollution is varying. While cetaceans like whales and dolphins may show a greater resistance, soft-shell species like mollusks, prawns and fish are much more sensitive.